for Canva, and today we're going to make a logo. Let's say if you have some projects like you're going to build a website for a baseball player, so and your uh, client will require you to make a logo, and you don't know how to make a logo yet. So Canva can come very useful. So to do that, let's create one. Let's try making a logo using Canva. So click create a design, and look for the logo, or you can search logo, and you just click this one, logo, and it will present to you some uh, templates. These are ready to use templates. You can actually search for a template, like let's say it's a baseball website. So uh, let's type baseball. Okay, so these are the templates for logo, or logo templates for a baseball website. So yeah, we can start with this one, and hopefully we can modify this one to our to the best that we can, so that it will be something that you can use to or for your client's website. So let's say I'll take this one. Let's use this one. This is the one of the simplest, and we'll probably try to change uh, the icons, or the images that is being used here, but we'll probably use the layout. Okay, so let's use this one. uh, as you can see, this is a glove. Perhaps we would like to search for a baseball glove, so you click the elements, then search baseball glove if there is, and we can look for graphics, because usually this is a graphics, so we can probably use that one, and or something like this one. So let's try to search over this out if we can find a good graphic background for that logo. So let's say, how about this one? Okay, or probably there's another, or there's a better one. Now our goal here is to modify this logo as much as we can, so that it will be something that that's coming from our own uh, design. Okay, so let's look for some others more. Okay, how about this one? So let's try that one. Okay, I think that's a good one. That's a good choice. Uh, let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's erase this one, and let's put that one here, and put that at the back. Bring that one. Okay, so as you can see, the one that has been used here is a just one image, or let's say, let's check that one if that's a totally different image. So let's click undo. Okay, uh, let's check if that's a separate image. Okay, so obviously it's not a separate image, it's just one image. But again, our goal is to use the same layout, but probably a different um, image. Okay, so let's erase that. Let's delete that one. Let's make this smaller, and let's try a new ball. Okay, let's search one. Okay, let's try to look for a good one. How about this one? I don't like the dark, or the black uh, boundary for that. Erase that. How about this one? So there's a, as you can see, it's a good one. This can be a good one. So let's try to make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Let's arrange this one. Make it a little bit bigger. And okay. And let's make this a bit smaller. And how about making this white? Let's change the font to white. Oops, sorry. Okay. Let's make this a bit bigger. Okay. Then let's center this one. All right. So yeah, it's a good one. You can use that one here. You can put that one here. So yep, it's a it's a it's a good one. If you already like that one, you can save that. Or what if we, let's try another, uh, perhaps another, let's try another logo, or let's design another option. So let's go back to uh, design and go to this page. This is another, let's say another sample design. So uh, perhaps let's use this one. Let's see a simpler one. Okay, something like, okay, let's change this one to baseballer based on our uh, previous design. See, we use the baseballer, then baseball club. Let's widen this one. Okay. Uh, let's go back to elements. And let's just say search baseball. Let's change this icon. You see, this icon is one whole image. So how about we use this one and then just create a background here. Okay. So let's just set aside this one first, and let's put that one here. Okay. Sorry. Let's make it a bit bigger. It's too big. Want that one. So let's make the background a bit smaller instead. So with this one, let's copy the color of this one, which is what, uh, 001. Let's copy that one. Because I like the color of this one. Let's change it to this one. All right, that's good. Then let's just copy the color of this one, which is, okay. Let's do that. All right, so I think let's try to erase this. It's more like it's something that you customize it yourself, and it's a good one. So if you are more creative, you can create better, and it is something like that. This one is, I mean, you can use Canva for more projects, and something that you will not have to pay more, but instead you can design it for yourself, and it's easy. You can make this samples a very professional looking one, even though have not you're not you're just a newbie. You're not really um, a graphic designer. So, but here Canva will make it possible for you to be a better uh, web designer, and at least if your client will ask you something like logo making, it is something that you can use. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy our short video. Don't forget to subscribe to our video, and thank you. See you on our next tutorial.